God morning. God morning. Okay. I am headed to the wig office. Y'all know I said Ja'Kayla had a wig appointment this morning. I need to go order my mama cake because her birthday is Monday. And I also need to go pay my Kohl's bill. Or McDonald's, honey, and got me a coffee. Because I need to wake myself up because I slept good last night, but ooh, y'all, the rain, it had you sleeping so good. It's so foggy out here, y'all. I guess because it rained, but it's so foggy out here. And people driving crazy. So, I am in the wig office. Baby Ja'Kayla is right here. She is playing. Y'all know she love to play. Ja'Kayla. She ain't paying no attention, y'all. So y'all, so we in the wig office. I'm not gonna record in here long because I don't know what they recording policy is in here. So yeah, y'all, so that's why I'm at the wig office. So I will catch up when I get up out of her. Ja'Kayla. Okay. Ja'Kayla. All right, y'all. So we done left the wig. We finna leave the wig office, you guys. Ja'Kayla don't have to go to the wig office anymore, y'all, because she's gonna be 5. So you know, once you turn 5, you don't go to the wig office anymore. So this is her last visit, y'all. This is her last visit. So she don't have to come back anymore. She did get her vouchers all the way up until her birthday. So that'll be it, you guys. Yay, that's one thing gone. Praise the Lord. Let me call my mom and let her know that I'm gonna get ready to come home. Hey. I'm headed home now, then. And Ja'Kayla ain't gotta come back to the wig office no more.
You finished?
Yup. They checked the thyroid levels today. They said they was pretty good. They was really good. They said the doctor can control it from here.
Okay.
Go Ja'Kayla. My baby growing up, so I'm gonna head home, I guess, then. All right. Ain't nothing else for me doing these streets.
All right.
Bye. All right, y'all. So I'm finna get ready to head home, y'all. My baby ain't gotta go to the wig office no more. Period, Pooh. I can go home and upload my video. Well, edit my video then. Cause what I need to do, go home and edit this vlog from I need to edit this vlog from yesterday because I haven't done it yet. So yeah, so that's what I need to do. I need to edit it, and then I'm gonna go home. I gotta leave back out because Ja'Kayla got a dentist appointment today too. So I still got to leave back out by 11. Well, I'm gonna leave out at 10:30 and get to the dentist at 11. So I get there early because Ja'Kayla got speech today too as well. So yeah, y'all, I be vlog every day, okay? And y'all, I swear I be trying to upload. I vlog every day, and y'all, I be trying to upload. I be trying to edit at night, y'all. I can't. I be too sleepy. By the end of the day, I'm like so sleepy and tired till I can't edit at night because I'm too sleepy and tired. So it's like I end up editing it early in the mornings and uploading by 11:30 or 12. If only I had somebody to edit for me. That's the hard part about vlogging. Well, videoing, period. You know, editing. It ain't really that hard. It ain't that easy. It's just time consuming. I go home and fix Ja'Kayla some breakfast. Alright, y'all. So we done made it home. I'm finna get ready to fix Ja'Kayla something to eat, you guys. Because she said she was hungry. So I'm finna get ready to fix her something to eat. Just let you know we had to make it home. And that's what I'm finna do. fix us something to eat, and then I'm editing my video too at the same time. So yeah, I'm going to fix us something to eat, feed her before we get ready to go, because we gotta leave the house at 10:30, 10:45ish, somewhere in there to get to the dentist office. So yeah, I'm finna fix us something to eat, and yeah, I will catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, so I made a quick trip. I'm getting some gas. I'm like right out here by the dentist office. Y'all look at them clouds. Y'all see how dark it is over here? Yeah, I took my wig off and put on my headscarf because I gotta wrestle with. I know I'm gonna have to wrestle with Kayla in this dentist office, y'all. I know I am. Like, it's a fight with her in the dentist office. But yeah, y'all, so it's a fight with her at the dentist office. So that's why I was like, let me just take the wig off. Sit back there. I said, let me take the wig off, honey. But yeah, so I'm finna get ready to head to the dentist office, y'all. It's like right up the road for me. They said it's not too far from me, so yeah. He said it's 5 minutes away. I got it on GPS because this is a new location.
Take the next right onto Oakany Connector.
Where I'm going, so yeah.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto US 29.
But it's taking me up 316. Why is it taking me up 316? But anyway, y'all. But yeah, so that's why I'm headed now to the dentist. No milk, baby, because you gotta get your teeth cleaned. Then you done threw up because you know how you is at the dentist. Kayla had a straight donkey at the dentist, y'all. I said, let me go and get me some gas right quick. Because when I leave here, I'm going straight to the house because Dana, her speech therapist, is gonna be there at 1:30. And I don't know how long I'll be at this dentist. Yeah, so let me get her early in case I need to fill out some paperwork, because that's what they always say. You got new paperwork at the beginning of the year to fill out, so let me get here early in case I got paperwork.
Left onto Caduceus Way.
Caduceus Way. Ooh, they bougie, y'all. They moved out here into the bougie section. This Caduceus Way. Is this Caduceus Way?
In one.
But yeah, so let me find the dentist office and I'll catch y'all in a minute, okay? Look how pretty. Y'all, the fish tank and everything. Come back here, TeamJa'Kayla. You can't play with that, Bugs. You can't play with that. Stop. You can't play with it. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you, TeamJa'Kayla.
Mom, please.
Look at you.
Please. Please.
Yeah, it's a fish. The fish tank. Yeah, the fishes. Look at yourself in the mirror, TeamJa'Kayla. Look. Look at you. Look at mommy then. Look at mommy. Look how mommy look. Look how mommy look, Kay. Look at you. You look so short. Look at you, mamas. You look so short. Look, KK. Look at you, Kay. You obsessed with the fish. She's just obsessed with the fish, y'all. It's a beautiful fish tank. It's gorgeous. You can see all the way through the back in that fish tank. Y'all look at me in this mirror. You look at my baby.
Hey, baby.
Y'all look at her. Oh, we excuse you. All right, y'all. So we in the back. We in the back, y'all. We at the Denny's. Wait on the Denny's to come in, y'all. She actually seen us early, so that was up. So I'll catch y'all when I get out here because I don't think they want us to record in the room. So I'll catch y'all when I get out here, okay? Good morning, gang. Welcome to the vlog. You guys, I did not come back yesterday after the dentist. Y'all, my daughter threw up everywhere in the dentist's office. It was awful. And she was sick for the rest of the day after that. I don't know why. Every time I take her to the dentist, y'all, she throws up really, really bad. After I clean her, after she get her teeth cleaned and stuff, she throw up really, really bad. And she just be sick for the rest of the day. Like, she just be done for. You know, she be real sick for the rest of the day. She don't feel good at all. She throwing up most of the day for the rest of the day. You know, so yeah, so that's why I didn't come back yesterday. I bet you're like, where the world did Brittany go after the dentist? JaKayla was sick as a dog after the dentist. So we running late. It is 7:33. I'm just done here to take JaKayla to school. We running late. She wasn't feeling good all night last night. She still was throwing up a little bit. But this morning I asked her should she want to go to school, because you know I keep my baby at home, you know. But she was like, no, I'm okay, mama. So I was like, okay, you sure? Because I keep you at home now. But she's fine, y'all. She's actually back there. This is her first day, y'all, in underwear at school. So we're gonna see how this go. I think she gonna do good though, y'all. I think she gonna do good. I got a lot of faith in my baby. I know she gonna do good. Cause JaKayla don't like to be wet. So I know she gonna do good. Y'all, so let me get to this school. I wanna hold this camera in dry, cause that's what I'm doing. I don't know why I ain't putting it in my mouth up there. I'm just a crazy. But yeah, y'all. So I will catch y'all when I leave the school, cause I got some errands to run anyway. So, but yeah, y'all. So I will catch y'all in a minute. All right, boys. I done made it home. Y'all, yeah. I took my headscarf off because it was giving me a headache. But I done made it home, y'all. And I got painted up. They painting over here. I got my ball. I gotta go get me another ball. My ball had white and had purple. So y'all look at this shit. Look at this. But it's okay. I'm gonna get me another ball though. And go get something to cook on breakfast. Cause I'm gonna eat the rest of the spaghetti today for lunch. Y'all know I've been eating spaghetti every day. So I'm gonna eat the rest of the spaghetti that's enough for lunch today. And my mama cooked chicken and rice, so I'll probably eat that later on for dinner. I just uploaded my video, you guys, from the other day. I'm sorry I have not been uploading. I just been taking a little break for a minute, but I'm back, babies. Check that vlog out. It's already uploaded. So by the time y'all see this video, that vlog will already be uploaded, okay? But yeah, y'all. So I'm finna get ready to run to Kohl's right quick. And I'll catch y'all in the car. Hey, loves. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Y'all, I am finna get ready to go to the school, y'all. Y'all, my baby done peed on herself, y'all. The teacher just called me. She doing a little better. She doing pretty okay with the potty training. Let's just put that out there. But y'all, she peed on herself. She peed on herself, y'all, standing up to wash her hands. So that means she peed in her shoes. So I'm finna go take her 2 pair of shoes up here. That's what I forgot this morning, her shoes. I was like, I forgot something. Her shoes. So I'm finna go take her shoes up here. Take my baby her shoes up here because I don't want her feet wet. I'm gonna take 2 pair of shoes up here. So yeah, y'all, that's why I'm finna head to the school now to take my baby some shoes. But y'all know she doing potty training. Y'all know she potty training. So that's what we working with now. Okay? So y'all, so that's why I'm finna head now to the school to take her some shoes, and then I gotta go to Kohl's and pay this my Kohl's bill. And then I'm going to the grocery store to get something to cook today for breakfast, because we haven't had anything to eat for breakfast yet. So I am gonna cook breakfast this morning. I was gonna buy breakfast, no, I just cook some. I feel like cooking. So I was like, I just cook some breakfast this morning. But I just want to let y'all know, I'm finna get ready to head to the school, y'all, and take my baby some shoes. That's what I forgot to take her. I forgot her shoes. I was like, what am I forgetting? I kept saying I'm forgetting something, which was her shoes. But yeah, y'all, so I will catch y'all at Kohl's or at the school or the grocery store. One of them, okay? Y'all, I'm in the school. I'm finna take these shoes down here, y'all. I got her 2 pair of shoes though, just in case. And take Miss Brown her gift because I ain't gave it to her yet. But yeah, be back, y'all. All right, y'all, so I'm leaving the school. They did do a hearing test on JaKayla today, and she failed it, y'all. They told me I need to follow up with her ENT, so I'm gonna make an appointment to go to Atlanta to see her ENT, because they said they concerned about maybe fluid behind her ear. They said they concerned about fluid maybe behind her ear or something like that. So yeah, I got to schedule her an appointment for the ENT as soon as possible. So I'm gonna schedule that. I gotta I'm gonna go home and schedule that. But I need to run the Kohl's right quick, y'all, and pay this bill. But y'all, I just dropped her shoes off. I wasn't expecting to hear that she failed her hearing test. you know, they kind of bother me. Cause they did the test. They did the test here at the school, and she failed it. She failed her test. They kind of bother me, but you know, I don't know, y'all. But she did fail her test. Well, hopefully I can get some results from the ENT soon, and I go from there. But y'all, I'm finna get ready to go pay this bill right quick at Kohl's, and then I'm going to the grocery store, then I'm going home. I'm like so sad right now. All right, y'all. I'm finna go ahead and pay my Kohl's bill. I'm like so irritated because my baby failed her hearing test. It kind of threw my whole day off. I hate that. So my mama on the phone now. I gotta go home. Well, with my mama. She called me. She said, Brittany, send me the number. I'm gonna schedule an appointment to the ENT because she knew that I was driving and stuff and I had stuff to do right quick. She was like, send me the number, and I made the appointment. So hopefully she made the appointment to the ENT. I'm walking in Kohl's, y'all. Finna pay my bill. So when I get home, I see what appointment she made. I gotta go by the grocery store and get something to cook for breakfast because I am hungry. And I haven't ate nothing this morning, really, but a banana. I am gonna, oh, they got all their books to Kroger and get something to cook. But y'all, I'm in Kohl's. Finna pay my bill. So I will catch y'all when I get out of here. I'll probably catch y'all in the grocery store, I guess. I'm finna get ready to go in Kroger, y'all. I'm getting ready to go in Kroger, y'all, and get me a pack of bacon. I told y'all I want to cook breakfast this morning, so I'm finna cook just some bacon and egg sandwiches. Yeah, so that's what I'm finna cook. That's what I'm finna get. I got eggs at the house. I just bought eggs yesterday. So, I just bought eggs. I'm finna just buy some bacon. Probably give her a couple of packs of sausages out of here while I'm in here. Call it a day. Y'all, it kind of throw my day off. Like, my day throwed off now. My day thrown off now because my baby failed her hearing test. They kind of bother me. So, I guess it'll be okay, though. I'm going to go home and cook. Get my mind off of it, I guess. Kind of really made me feel really sad that she failed it. Like, I hate that. Like, oh, they're 2 for 6. Her sausages are 2 for 6. So I'm gonna get 2 of those. But yeah, y'all, this the bacon that we get. It's Smithfield, and it's $5 a pack. Yeah, y'all, I might get me a thing of orange juice. I'm gonna get a little small thing of orange juice. Hang out, like, kind of sad. Like, I hate that my baby didn't pass her hearing test. It kind of hurt my feelings, but oh yeah. You know, I think she gonna be okay. She gonna be okay. She gonna be okay. Her appointment is February the 5th though, at 11 o'clock. So my mama did get an appointment with the ENT, which is February the 5th at 11 o'clock. So thank God that she did get that appointment scheduled. But y'all, let me get out this though. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Hey y'all, babies. Yeah, I done ate a little breakfast. I did cook enough for my mom. She said she didn't want nothing, but I did cook enough for her, and she did eat. So thank God she did eat a little bit, just a little, like she ate 2 pieces of bacon and a piece of bread, and that was it. But something been nothing, cause she don't have an appetite and she haven't been eating at all, y'all. But I'm just sitting here chilling, y'all. Yes, I took the wig and head off. I threw it on my bonnet while I was cooking, sure did. But I'm still fully dressed. Yeah, y'all, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just sitting here, honey. Chilling. Probably gonna eat some lunch after a while, because I'm on lunchtime now. Like, I have to eat something because I gotta take my heart medicine, my blood pressure pill, and my insulin. So I gotta take all 3 of that. So I know I'm about to eat some kind of lunch. So I'm just sitting here chilling until I go get baby girl. Oh, she got therapy today. Oh! Y'all, teacher been texting me saying that Ja'Kayla needs in the potty. Like, this just brighten my day up, y'all. Because I was real depressed about that hearing test. So she did get an appointment. So we do got an appointment to the ENT in February. But yeah, y'all. So her teacher been texting me saying Ja'Kayla needs to potty. I'm like so excited. Oh my God. Y'all, they painting the house. All they know is they make But y'all, I am so excited for my baby. I'm so happy for her. Like, she using the potty. Go Ja'Kayla. I knew Ja'Kayla could do it. I told you I knew she could do it. I knew it. I'm so happy for my baby, y'all. She using the potty. She doing it, y'all. She doing it. She doing it. I never doubted my baby. I knew she could do it. I knew it. So hopefully by April 15th, she gonna be potty trained. That's her birthday, y'all. She gonna be the big futuristic 5. And she gonna be futuristic 5 and potty trained, baby. But yeah, so I just want to let y'all know that. Share the good news with y'all that she's been pottying. And I'm so excited, you guys. So I will catch y'all when I probably get back in the car to go get baby Jay. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna get out this car and get my baby. We're gonna get my baby. But yeah, y'all. So that's what I'm gonna go do. Go get my baby. Hey. Gonna get baby Ja'Kayla. How you doing? She real sweet.
Hey, Ja'Kayla ready to check out.
All right, y'all be back. All right, my babies. Hey, y'all. So, y'all, I done made it home. Baby Ja'Kayla is in her room. OT is on their way. They're on their way to have, she have a student coming with her. So, I came on home. She have a student coming with her, so we're just chilling. Right now, Ja'Kayla have on a pull-up right now. I'm finna get ready to take that pull-up off in a minute. I'm ready to take her pull-up off. They send them home in pull-ups. And I just finna take it off and put her on some panties because she been on panties all day. Y'all, teacher said she did really good. She did really, really good. So I did good, y'all.
No.
Your nose is nasty. Let me get a wipe. Clean your nose. But yeah, her teacher said she did really, really well. I was going to try to video her during therapy today. Oh, the wipes are right here. I'm tripping. Doing therapy today. But I don't know about that either, you know. So I can't do that either. Rub your face and nose and stuff. She's so dramatic, y'all. Look at her sitting in her chair. Oh. Say hey, mamas. You had a good day? You had a good day at school? Yeah, did you have a good day at school? They said you had a good day. Good day. Mommy proud of you in your big girl panties.
Daddy.
Your daddy was not at the school, Kayla.
Daddy.
Your daddy at home. You want to tell daddy about your underwear? About your day? All right, y'all. So evidently she want to talk to her daddy. So let me call her dad, y'all, and let her tell him how was her day in her underwear, honey, before therapy get him. So y'all, I will be back. I will try to get a little footage for y'all from OT, but she gonna have a student with her. She's training, so I'm gonna try. I might can't, but I'll try. Okay. All right, y'all. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. So baby Jay is done with therapy. He's done with therapy.
Mom.
Yes, baby.
Right there.
All right, y'all. So baby Ja'Kayla is done with therapy. Now she wanted to play with her Legos. She wanted to play with Lego blocks. So I wanted to play with my Legos. Y'all, my daughter's doing so good, y'all, in school with her potty. They just wanted to wear panties, so that's what she have on now.
Play.
Yeah, you playing? Y'all, she said she want to play. All right, y'all. So I'm finna get ready to... You want mommy to play with you?
Mama.
Okay, mommy will come play with you. All right, y'all. So I just want to show y'all baby Ja'Kayla. She done with therapy. So she finna play. I'm finna play with her, you guys, and I'll be back. Y'all, I bet y'all like, Brittany, where have you been, girl? Y'all, did potty training stuff. Gotta go. It gotta go. Y'all, my baby done pooped all over herself, y'all. Y'all, I was in there gagging and cleaning poop. I knew she had pooped on herself. I'm sitting in the living room, y'all, on the sofa. I'm like, what that smell is? Kay, you got a potty? Kayla, you got a potty? You need to go potty if you need to potty. Come on, let's potty. And y'all, what I did was, let me show y'all what I did. Y'all, I put her potty that was in the top of this here, put it right here on the seat. And I put her stool, her potty right here for to sit the proper foot on. Step up so you can potty. Hold on, y'all. Yeah. Right, y'all, I can show y'all Ja'Kayla, but I ain't gonna show y'all her bottom part. Say hey, KK. Say hey, mama.
Baba.
So y'all, she been the potty. I got her on the potty. I hope she potty. But y'all, she pooped. Y'all, she pooped. I smelled the poop. I was in the living room. I'm like, what that smell is? It smell loud. Like the louder, it just kept getting louder and louder. The smell kept getting louder and louder. So I'm like,
Mama.
something ain't right. And then I got in here. I was like, you pooped. So yeah, she had pooped. So I cleaned her up. And I gave her a whole bath, y'all, and everything. She had to get a bath.
Mama.
Yes, baby. You gotta finish potty.
Good rain.
And me and her teacher were talking about today, like she got a potty chart right here, you guys. So, me and her teacher were talking about today was that, you know, you run the water. And you'll think that running the water would help them pee. It will not help. It don't fade, Ja'Kayla. Like, I can let the water run for a long time and she still won't pee. You know. Cream. Yeah, y'all. Still no success, y'all. It's literally still no success. So, she still didn't potty. But yeah, y'all, still no potty. At this point, I really don't know what else to do, y'all. Cause she don't like to go with the water running. Y'all know that. I just explained it to y'all. The water running don't help it. Kayla, get your hand out your mouth. And then we bought this stuff right here, y'all. I can get it. We bought this stuff right here, y'all. Put on her fingernails so she'll stop biting her nails. And it got a little hot kick to it, and it's nasty, right? And it ain't helping her neither. Like, that ain't even helping her. Like, she's still biting her nails like it ain't working. So at this point, the potty training ain't working, the nail biting ain't working. Nothing working. Literally, y'all, nothing is working for me. Spam the comments and let me know what should I do about. Spam the comments and let me know about the nail biting. What's another solution? Like, what else? And spam the comments and let me know what's another solution for the potty training. I'm open to all ideas, y'all. Like, literally all ideas. But yeah, y'all. So I'm open to all options, y'all. But yeah, y'all. So spam the comments, y'all. For real, definitely let me know. Come here, Ja'Kayla. I'm gonna let y'all see her before I end the vlog. Want to say hey to the vlog? Get up, girl. Come here. Got my try so silly. Come here. Come here, do that. Come here. You so spoiled. Come on. All right. What you crying for? You gonna show the vlog you crying? You gonna show the vlog your tears?
Ew.
What are you crying for? Pretty girl. Why are you crying? Mwah.
Yep. A house.
Yeah, we in the house. I love you. I love you.
Eyes. Yeah, eyes.
Eyes. But y'all,
No.
we're really not doing anything for the rest of the night. I'm just working on this potty training, y'all, and this nail biting, okay?
Mama.
And toenail biting, because she bites toenails too.
Mama.
So, I'm working on it. Yes, baby.
Bobby.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Bobby.
Yep, potty. She's signing potty, y'all. Yeah, potty.
Bobby.
Yeah, potty. Do you need to go?
No.
Okay. Yeah, y'all. So we're not doing anything else, like I said, for the rest of the night. But this potty training is and working on this potty training and working on this nail biting. So I'm gonna end my vlog off right here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell once you hit the bell. Has been a lovely, lovely family. Follow me on social media. Been in the description box below. Share, you guys. We're on the road to 1K, okay? On the road to 1K, I'm gonna definitely do a giveaway. Probably more than one giveaway with the 1K as well. So you guys just share, pass me around. You guys are not a secret. I love you guys so much. And until next time, I'll catch you guys on the next vlog or video. Say peace. Say peace.
Daddy.
Peace, y'all.